This is A1. Tommy sent it over. He said, I have a beautiful blue that you guys have to try. Put it over whatever base you want. And we thought, okay, we haven't actually sprayed a new blue pearl in a while. So Gabe and I were talking about bases. We could have gone with a dark blue, but that was a little bit too expected. So here's pure purple, a gorgeous saturated purple that we haven't used in a long time. So let me show you a little bit of powder here. Oh, it is nice. It's sparkly too. That is different. It almost has like a multi-tone blue to it. It's like a little bit of light blue, a little bit of darker blue.
I'm getting a bit of like a Suzuka color.
What do you want to do on pigment load?
Let's keep it low. We could always add more.
Fair enough. All right. So 12.5 a gallon?
Yeah.
All right, let's put A1. Oh, plastic almost went in with it. That is a very fluffy pearl. That's a lot of powder for 25 grams. What would you equate this to? You said Suzuka.
Yeah, like a Suzuka tone.
It's almost like Suzuka and Ocean Blue had like a baby. All right, let's mix it up. All right, almost getting some green hues.
I had a slight bit of purple for a second.
A purple?
And then it went away.
I'm getting like almost like an Atlantic green on the side and then like a deep ocean blue on top. Let me throw the old stick of truth in there. It's blending well. All right. That's not blue. What is that?
Like a teal ocean blue type of mix? I don't know.
It doesn't match the liquid. Hold on.
It's almost like that GC47 teal.
Kinda. All right, I got a little bit of this and then a little, and then what's that? You think you tricked us?
Probably.
Hold on. Is this a color shift or am I just freaking out?
I'm getting a hue of purple at extreme angles.
Hold on. This is not expected, and then bing. Now, knowing that it's potentially shifting tones a little here, do you think we're okay on base and pigment load? I guess it's too late now.
Way too late.
Maybe I'm freaking out. We're getting ready to move. We're like days away from moving the entire company. So everyone's on very low sleep, extra stress, but I swear to God, I'm seeing different colors there. All right, we're gonna drop it on pure purple. And at the end of the video, like always, we're gonna show it to you in a bunch of different base colors. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and you know what they say, you can't judge a book by its cover, and you can't judge a pearl by its powder. We thought we had a simple, beautiful blue going on top of pure purple, and it ended up being way more than that. We're gonna take the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it from different angles, leave a comment below, and rate this one for us 1 through 5. Let us know if you love it or if you don't. And if you wanna change the color of your own car, whether it's with peelable paint or permanent paint, we have a ton of kits, a ton of different colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.